Want to buy fractional shares but don't know how? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start investing in fractional shares
and learn 2 ways to confidently buy them on Charles Schwab without any extra help.
For the best investing and personal finance information,
subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to be notified when we post our weekly videos.
Yep. Hi, I'm Nadia.
And I'm Nicole.
We're financially independent twins that have made it our mission to teach others how to master every aspect of their money
so that they can become financially independent just like us. Now it's your turn to learn how to fire your boss.
So let's get it.
Let's get it.
Charles Schwab allows you to purchase fractional shares for as little as $5, and you can purchase them in 2 different ways.
2 different ways. You either can buy them by one company at a time, which they like to call single slices, or you can buy fractional shares in multiple companies all at once as a group of slices.
Yeah, you can buy fractional shares of any company listed on the S&P 500, which means for $5, you can own household names such as Google, Coca-Cola, and Walmart.
And you can easily buy these fractional shares through the Charles Schwab app or through their website.
Yeah, they make it easy. All right, it's time to buy some shares. So to make it super easy, we're going to do it through their website.
Yep.
When you log into your account, you're going to go to Trade and Schwab Stock Slices right here. It's going to bring you to their Stock Slice portal so you can start trading. So when I want to buy one stock, let's say I want to buy Walmart. In order to look for a company, you have to know their ticker. But on here, they make it a lot easier. So if I don't know the ticker, I would just type in Walmart. And then it pops up, WMT. I click next to WMT, continue. And I want to just put in $10. And I say $10 in Walmart. Reinvest dividends? Yes. You should do it, and it's called DRIP. Reinvest your dividends. It allows you to buy more shares, which is great when you're starting out with a low amount of money. You click next to Reinvest Dividends. Review your selection. It says, please acknowledge the following message. Okay. I have 1 or more orders, and it doesn't divide evenly among the stock. That's fine. So as it says here, I will get an estimated total shares of 0.06 of a share for $10. I'm doing a market day only. That's fine. And I'm reinvesting my dividends. Before placing your order, make sure your order information is correct and that you have read all order messages. That's fine. I'm placing order and acknowledge. This time, instead of buying one slice of one company, I'm going to buy slices in multiple companies at the same time. So let's go for some products or some companies you would know. I want to buy Apple. That's hot right now because they had a stock split. So I don't know what Apple's ticker is. I just type in Apple. APPL. Oh, look, Apple Inc. Click next to it. Now I want to buy, say, Target. Target comes up, TGT. I click it. Say I want to go to Costco. I want a piece of Costco. Now you see here at the top of my screen, I have all of these selected. I have 3, but you can choose up to 10 companies that you want to buy slices in. So I hit continue. I select account again. And say I want to spend $20 this time. That $20 will be split across these 3 companies. Now, if I wanted to make it even, and it's a $5 minimum investment, I would put in 4 companies. But let's see what happens if I pick 3 companies and it doesn't divide evenly. It's going to be interesting. But before I do that, I want to make sure I reinvest these dividends, let our money grow so our wealth can grow. And it says here, please acknowledge the following message. You have 3 orders, right? $20. If you have 1 more order, your total amount does not divide evenly. That's what I knew would happen. $20 is not divided evenly by 3, right? So I'm going to say, place the order. I'm looking. I buy $6.66 of Apple. I buy $6.67 of Target. And I buy $6.67 of Costco. You know how it is when you split a tab with one of your friends at a restaurant and somebody gets hit with that extra penny? That's basically what's happening here. This tells me how much of the total estimated amount of shares I will get. So it's 0.05 of Apple, 0.04 of Target, and 0.01 of Costco. If you notice, all of those shares are different. It's because the price of each one of these companies for one full share is different. I get less of Costco because one share of Costco is $357.70. I get a little more of Target because one share is $148. And I get a little bit more of Apple because one share of Apple is $130. That means my $6.66 is a fraction of this $130. I hope that's clear. If it's not, put it in the comments and we'll answer and we'll try to work it out for you, okay? So I'm fine with everything. I say, okay, before placing your order, please make sure your order information is correct. Yes, it is correct. I want to buy Costco, buy Target, and buy Apple. I want to reinvest my dividends. And it says yes, dividends will be reinvested. Dividends will be reinvested, and dividends will be reinvested. And all I have to do now is place the order. And I'm done. Order is received. I'm now a partial owner of Apple, Target, Costco, and Walmart. And in less than 5 minutes, and I only spent $30.
So as you can see, it doesn't matter if you want to buy one fractional share at a time or 10. The process itself is super simple.
Yeah. Comment below which way you will try. The first way, by the slice, or the second way, by the group.
Now, even though buying fractional shares on Charles Schwab is pretty easy, there are some limitations that you need to be aware of. One, the minimum purchase is $5.
Now, you need $5 to even get started.
You can only buy up to 10 slices at a time.
And the maximum you can spend per transaction is $10,000.
Yeah.
If you got $10,000, you're already doing good, right?
Yes, but you can only buy stocks that are listed in the S&P 500. That means you can buy, like Nadia mentioned before, Apple, Amazon, Walmart, but you cannot buy Tesla. Not yet anyway, right?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Also, you have to open a Charles Schwab brokerage account in order to use their platform. For a full list of the rules, check out the link in the description below. Now you know exactly how to buy fractional shares in Charles Schwab, but do you know which stocks you should buy and why?
Well, we have a playlist on our Wealth Twins channel dedicated to show you how to buy stocks for passive income. And that's linked in the description below this video.
If you would like to go deeper into the reasons why fractional share investing is a great way to start building wealth with little money, check out the videos up next.
And if you found value in this video, please show these twins some love and hit that like button now.
Who doesn't love twins?
Silly. Subscribe to our channel and also please share this with the people you care about. We want them to know what we're talking about.
Yeah, and make sure you share it, because if you don't share it, you don't care about those people.
Ooh.
You know? See you in the next video.
See you next video.